Good morning, everyone. This is my truck, how it lights up at night anyways. I don't think you've ever seen it yet. I have a couple stupid lights out, but you know, I can fix those. In fact, that top one was working. Those on Ken was, yep, see, just what I said. I was just about to say it. They like to go on and off. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just when they are a little damp inside, they're just crazy. And there it goes, on and off. But yeah, gotta go Flying J and meet up Pete, and we are gonna get on the road. On the road. So, there's a lot of auto haulers here. Car haulers. Actually, a lot of car haulers. What are they hauling? They look like possibly Toyotas. But yeah, let's get on the road. There's Pete. I see his truck. Got some fuel, wiped off the windows. I'm gonna get some coffee. We're gonna start our day. The sky looks like we're gonna have partly cloudy, but mostly cloudy. But let's see if we're gonna run into some weather. It feels like it. That's rain weather. Guy, I'm just pulling forward a little bit more. This line compared to the island is not the same. Hopefully that's definitely not good enough. This line and that island is definitely not good enough if somebody comes up behind me. So they make it for 48 footers, man. They don't make it for real trucks. All right. Gotta go get some coffee. Well, we decided not to go through downtown Nashville. It was the wrong time of day to do it. We're taking the 840, and it actually just says that we're gonna save, or we're gonna a little bit longer, about like 7-8 minutes longer, but 7-8 minutes ain't nothing compared to stop and go traffic. So, and it could get worse by the time we get downtown Nashville. So why not just make the drive as easy as you can? So it's a longer way around, but it's just nicer to avoid all that traffic. Gonna do it right here. That way nobody gets a running start on a curb.
Copy. I'll be up here a little bit.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. They popped them both right off. Popped them both right off. They're not broken or anything. Okay, start rolling. Yeah, that's insane. I cannot believe that happened. Oh. Didn't know you got out of your truck. I said start rolling. Yeah, they popped them both right off, man.
That's crazy.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'll tell you right now, A40, I don't know what you guys thinking, but you sure don't know how to transition from road to bridge to road. You do not know what you're doing. I mean, seriously. That is you got such a smooth road, but then you just make it a ramp every time it goes to a bridge. That's rough. A car will like it because it's like excitement, but for a semi, it is rough. So any of you guys decide to take the 840, those transitions between bridges, they make you fly, man. They make you fly. I mean, it's not all of them, but there are some serious ones. permit. It's probably the one staple of Memphis that everybody knows. Never been inside of it.
Oh, good old Mud Island. That place is no fun ever.
Yesterday I was going over a bridge, I think in Tennessee, and you're going over the water, but there's sometimes an island stuck in between the water and the mainland. On that island was a cemetery.
Yeah, I remember seeing that one.
I was like, what's gonna happen when that river floods and washes more and more away, man? I'd be like moving that cemetery.
Oh yeah, they won't do it till it's actually time to do it.
Until the coffins are going downstream. Scale house finally up ahead.
Hilton in Arlington is booked starting tomorrow through Monday.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we are backed up on the road.
What, scale house is backed up? That means that we should pass, correct?
Yes, they're on the highway.
Well then, get over it, man.
Yeah, I ain't sitting in that. It's gonna cost some. I ain't getting no light. These guys are just all stopping. They're probably gonna come get us.
It's on the freaking highway, man. It's like you're actually causing a wreck.
All kinds of trucks are fucking going by now.
So there's a crop duster coming up. I see him flying low, so maybe we'll get him in the shot. They like to fly right over the highway real fast to make their high banking turns. So, yep, there he goes. He's turning left.
Here you go.
Yeah. He's gonna go right over my shot. Just slow it down a little bit.
Oh, I'm gonna be on the channel. I'm gonna be on the channel.
There he goes, right over our highway. Going right back down. Nice. But there, oh yeah, we got him spraying a little bit. That's just a little bit. Oh, but there's power lines. Oh, you had to get back up real fast. There's telephone poles and power lines right there. bad. What do you guys say, Pete?
I don't like people.
You don't like people, and
Pictures, please. No pictures, please.
yeah, paparazzi. Oh,
What
we're-
I really got to say is you're going to bleep it out a lot, so I'm not going to say it.
Yep, F-bombs, too many of them. I gotta give him an air horn every time he says it.
These people out here are just, they're all like window lickers.
True. Yep, it was way too much to deal with today. And we got tomorrow to deal with.
Yeah, that's a short thing.
How many miles? I didn't check. Yeah. Well, as you can see, today was a little bit hectic day with traffic. A lot of trucks on the road. We are gonna just relax. I already took a shower, enjoying my hotel room, and we are gonna call it a night. But we will be in Dallas tomorrow at our next hotel, and then the following day we are gonna go to the arena and set up the show. So that'll be fun. Also wanted to reach out and tell you guys about something that I've been doing for a while, and I will have the link down to the description below, and hopefully I'm going to make a full video on it. But this is mainly for truck drivers. If you're looking for a little extra money with your phone, and this is real money, it's not no gimmicks whatsoever, you make while you drive. You make a little bit of money with your phone while you drive. So I'll make a full video on that alone, so you can understand what it's all about. And then if you're interested, you can sign up with my link. I will give you 1,000 coins to start off with, and whatever you want to do. But this will be in the future. I will write a whole video just for that alone, and then I'll always have future links below for people that haven't seen it to see it. So yeah, I think that's it. Today needs to be over, and I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to end it right here. And I'll catch you guys down the road.